Where's the easy money at, man? I mean, nowadays, is there anything so-called free money? Well, maybe you're in the right spot, guys. Check this out. How about, what if I told you that there is a way you could actually make free money online, right, as a free affiliate, so you can make money just by giving away valuable content, not garbage, okay? All right, valuable content. What if I told you that? Yeah, I know. You'd be like, well, D, nothing is free. Well, listen to me, okay? All right. I am glad you are here. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am D Car Lady, better known as Coach D. What I do is I help network marketers just like you, all right, be able to increase your leads and your sales, ultimately increasing your income online, leveraging social media, guys. All right, but today, what I'm going to bring to you is a MLSP review showing you guys how you can make free money online using the MLSP blog. Yeah, not a lot of people know about this, but you stick around to the end and you're going to know about this thing. All right. All right. Now, I'm all about bringing you guys this information, based on the 3 M's of entrepreneurship. Okay. I'm talking about the mindset, marketing, and multiple streams of income. So what you're about to see, guys, you can do regardless of what you're promoting, as long as you are promoting something to other business people who they want to make money, whether they're network marketers, small business owners, it doesn't matter. You can do what I'm about to show you. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and rock out. Let me go ahead and show you how you're going to be able to make this free money online, right, using this MLSP blog. All right, so I'll leave a link down below. The first link in the description, it'll actually be a link to this page, so that way you can come right to this page and do it. All right, so go through that link so that way you'll be able to do it and make this free money. All right, so you'll come to this page here. All right, and what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Scroll all the way to the bottom, right? All right, now let me back up for a minute. All right, there's a lot of good value here. Okay, let me back up for a minute. There's a lot of good value here. Excellent training. All right, so while you're here, check out some of the training. It's free, it's there. All right, but anyhow, to be able to go ahead and become an affiliate, you're going to become an affiliate for the MLSP blog. Okay, and it's free. Okay, so you scroll to the bottom, and down here where it says register now, go ahead and click register now. All right, and then here is where you're going to be able to register, to be able to be an affiliate. You put in your details, your username, and whatever email address you want to register with the system, and of course hit I'm not a robot, and then hit register. Now of course they're going to send you an email to that email address, so make sure you put in a good email address, okay? Because that's going to be the one that you use moving forward with the system. All right, now once and it only takes about, I would say, let me see, maybe about 2 minutes. I mean, it's really short, right? So you go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and log into my affiliate account, right? So that way you can kind of see, once you get your details, how it's going to look on the inside. All right, so let me go ahead and log into my affiliate account. All right, so for me to I could probably log in from right here too. Now let me go back. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna log in straight from here. All right, where it says click here to log in. All right, and all I'm doing is I'm logging into my affiliate account. Remember, for you haven't registered yet, so you just hit register now and sign up for your free affiliate account. But I'm just going to go ahead and log into my affiliate account right here where it says click here to log in. All right, I'm not a robot, and I'm gonna log in. Excuse me. All right, so once you got your details and everything, then of course you could log into your affiliate account as well, right? And you'll just go ahead and set everything up here. Your username and all that stuff should be already set up, so you'll be good to go. All right, now I want to show you also, how you actually get your link, because your affiliate link, because it's not the way that typically when you join something, you know, you get like one affiliate link. It's not like that. All right, let me show you. So once you actually log into your account, because you registered, you got your account and you logged in just like I logged in, right? All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to actually choose an article that you want to share with someone. Okay, so they have different tabs up here for internet marketing, which means it's different subjects, right? Different articles, personal development, you know, products, whatever you want to do. But let's just go ahead and choose one. Let's choose a popular one, attraction marketing. Let's choose attraction marketing, right? So we'll go there, and once again, I'm logged into my account, all right? Because I'm about to show you how you get your link that you could actually share with someone. Now keep in mind, what you're doing is you're actually going to be able to get free money, you know, earn commissions when you share value with other people, with other small business owners, other network marketers. You're going to be sharing value. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so literally these right here are some different articles that you can share. Okay, so let's say this is a popular one right here. All right, because we had this challenge right here, and Stacy did some awesome training on that. So let's click this one, right? You just choose which article you want to share. So let's click this one. We're gonna check it out, right? And now keep in mind, remember I told you this is actual training here. Okay, you're not just sharing like some frivolous article where, you know how people give you an article like, yeah, turn around twice and you're gonna be rich. I mean, like stuff that is like whack, right? No, this is actual value. So, you know, so even though you're a free affiliate for the MLSP blog, right? Actually go through the training, like seriously. All right. So let's say this is one right here that you want to share, and you know that this is going to resonate with your audience. It's telling them what is attraction marketing, and they could go ahead and take a challenge if they want. And of course, you know, they can check out some other information as well. So this is just one of the articles right there. Okay. So let's say if you wanted to share this one, what you would do, okay, to get your link is you would come over here to the icon, right, where it says Twitter, and you do this for whichever article you want to share. Where it says Twitter, yes, Twitter, use the Twitter one, okay, Twitter, hit Twitter, all right. And now if you are not logged into your Twitter account, it's going to prompt you to log into your Twitter account, all right. So just keep that in mind. You know, it's going to prompt you to log into your Twitter account, which a Twitter account is free, so hopefully you got a Twitter account, even if you don't tweet. Like I don't tweet. Okay, I don't tweet, but I have a Twitter account, okay? Because this is the easiest way to actually get your affiliate link, all right, when you use the Twitter icon. So you hit that, and it's going to open up to your Twitter account because it's allowing you to be able to just tweet it from here. But that's not what we're doing. We just want the link so that we can share it with people. Like, for instance, I've shared these MLSP blog affiliate links in emails. Like if I'm giving someone, you know, some value, like, hey, you know, I just came across this great article that shows some tips on attraction marketing, you know, here, go check it out, right? So let me show you what the link will look like. You see right here, it gives like some little information about it. Right here it says prospecting recruiting script, 27 word phrase to rank advanced at 6x in 90 days for free, right? And then this right here, you see how it's highlighted, right? It's right here, it says blog, product, prospect, da da da. And at the end, right, at the end of that is my username, right? So that makes it my affiliate link. So all you do is you copy this. Boom. And now you can share that link. Now, of course, you know, you could put it in like a domain name if you want, or if you use Bitly. I don't use Bitly, but I use domain names. But whatever, you know, to kind of shorten it down. Whatever you want to do, if you use pretty links, it doesn't matter. But if you want to shorten that link down, you totally can. But this is the affiliate link for this particular article. What that means is if someone clicks this particular link right here, and they come over here and they want to, you know, they're checking out this article. If they decide to buy something from the blog, like buy one of the trainings from the blog, you get credit. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say I got this link right here, right? I got my affiliate link. I'm going to go ahead over here to an incognito window, right? I'm going to go over here to an incognito window. I'm going to just paste that link, and you see it's my affiliate link right there, right? I'm going to paste that link right there, okay? And I enter. So this is what it'll look like. Okay, this is what it'll look like when someone else goes to your particular link, right? They're here. It's like, oh, they're like, oh, okay, yeah, I like this right here. You know, they're reading the article and everything. They're getting some value, but you know, they say, hey, man, you know, I want to check out some other stuff, right? So they come over here. They're like, you know what? I want to learn some stuff on content marketing, right? They go over here, they checking out some stuff on content marketing. Now, the good thing about it is that no matter which page they go to on this blog, right? If they decide to take a trial for My Lead System Pro, you know, for MLSP, if they decide, like right here, it says risk-free trial, right? If they decide to take a trial, you get credit, right? You get the credit, okay? And all you did was share some value information. All you did was share free information. And you signed up for free, okay? So free money just for helping people, okay? So if they decide to sign up for a risk-free trial, boom, cool, you get a commission. All right. This is some more value right here, means more articles, right? This is some more articles that a person could some more training, right? So they could click here. They say, oh, well, I want to watch some more stuff. I want to see what's going on, right? You know, and so they come over here. They got some more training over here. So it's endless amounts of free training, right? Then, you know, if they decide, well, you know what? I want this. I want to get this thing in my body, right? I want to get this training right here. If they click this training, and you can even see my affiliate link, you know, if I hover over this button, look at the lower left. Look at the lower left of the screen, okay? You'll see my affiliate links in there. So if they decide to go ahead and click this, because they're on your link, right? And they say, you know what? I want to get that. You know, I just want to check that out, right? Okay, boom, they go ahead and put in their name, email, and phone number, and they just became a lead for you. All right, so that means anything that they wind up signing up for, you're cookied to that, right? If they decide to take a trial, you're cookied to that. All right, now that is the power of this system, right? Of being able to be a free affiliate for the MLSP blog, because you literally can share value to your audience, to your network marketing audience, to your small business owners. You can just share value. So, and instead of people saying, well, I don't know what to email my leads, I don't know, okay? Literally, if your leads are trying to make money online, they need to learn how to market, you share one of these articles with them. Let me go back and show you really quick. Let me come back here. All right, and this is a pop-up that came up right here, and it says, hey, if you want this deal, we'll let you get it for $1. All right, so this is just another thing that you could share with someone. But let me show you some of the other articles you can see, like let's say mindset is big, right? So let's say we go to the mindset article here, okay? And once again, I'm logged into let me move this out the way. You see my name right there, right? Team 𝐘𝐨𝐿. I'm logged into my account because that's where you want to share the stuff from, where you want to get the link from. So you're like, okay, yeah, I like this. Are you looking through the articles, right, to see which one you want to share, whichever you feel is going to be good value for your audience, right? And it's like, okay, some tips on how to overcome the fear of doing Facebook Lives. You know, you could share that one if you want it. You know, let's see. I'll probably share the first one right here. All right, so you click on it, right, and you see the article, and then you just hit the tweet right here. Hit the tweet, right? And as long as you're logged into your Twitter account, once again, it's free, okay? Then you just go ahead, boop, grab that link, and like I said, you can run that through a Bitly, or I put mine in a domain name, but you can run it through a Bitly short, pretty links, or whatever link shortener that you have, and that is the link that you would share. You would literally write you up an email, say, hey, hey, 𝐘𝐨𝐿, writing you today. I wanted to, just share this information with you with some big mistakes that may be holding you back from your dreams. Check this out. It's totally free, right? And they come over here and they're checking, they come to your link and they're checking out all the articles. And if they decide to take a trial with MLSP, you get the credit. If they decide to buy one of the products that's back here that they totally can buy, because there's some products as well, then you get a commission as well. So whatever they decide to do, if they purchase something, you get a commission as well. And you didn't have to sound all salesy or try and actually sell them anything. All you're doing is sharing the free information, and you join for free, and you can make free money online for free. Okay, so I know y'all see where I'm going with this. Well, all right, hopefully you found some value from this MLSP review, how you can make free money online with the MLSP blog. All right, and if you have, please do subscribe to my channel and crush that bell so you can be alerted the next time I come with some content, because I'm definitely bringing it to you guys. All right, and don't forget, the very first link in the description is where you can go ahead and sign up to be a free affiliate for the MLSP blog. And if you are interested in some high-ticket commissions and making some instant money with me as well, so you got the free thing, then if you want to make some high-ticket commissions, then I'll put down the second link will be to my #1 money-making opportunity online. All right, so you can rock out with me on that as well. All right, other than that, guys, I appreciate you coming out. You already know this is D Carletta, baby. We're gonna take this right to the top. All right, here we are.